So on social media, you guys wanted to know how many chickens can one fit into a mini gas pit from TP Products. Well, today I'm going to find out. I wasn't sure myself, but I think we could put 4 in. So I'm going to put 4, squeeze 4 into this baby. Alright, we'll have to, it'll be a tight fit, but yeah, I think that can work. And that doesn't look too bad. Here's one big chicken. Alright, so the next one will have to be worked around it. Right, there you go. So once in the gas braai, this won't be a problem. Put this baby on. Yes, so the answer is 4. You can fit 4 chickens into the mini split gas braai from TP Products. The motor will take 4. I must say, I might recommend this. Might not be the best thing for the motor. I think one should look at upgrading the motor. The motor is basically made for 2 chickens, but for me what was important, I wanted to see that it can actually work with 4. Well, it goes, it looks steady. Yeah, so let's give her a run, see how she does. This is about 1 hour later. Let's see how the chickens are doing. The steam is hot, it's coming out of here. That's superb. I think that's ready. Let's have a closer look.